In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export data from Buildium. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Buildium like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go over to menu and go down to settings down here. From here, you'll be able to click export data down here. From here, you can see everything that you can export on Buildium. As you can see, you have rentals, rental owners, leases, tenants, listings, accounting, like vendors and payment coupons, and task and communication, where I can export task items, work orders, resident city contact directories, resident center announcements. So if I just click on, let's say, rental over here, then you can see the rentals has been exported as a XLSX, also known as an Excel file. If I click on it, Excel will open up and you can see all of the data that you have inside of your rental tab on Buildium. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!